Hi, I'm Robin. I'm going to be talking to you today about the anatomical terms of the body. So first we're going to divide the body into planes. The first plane that we have is the frontal plane. It divides the body into the anterior and posterior views. It cuts directly down the center of the body. Next we have the median, which divides the body into equal left and right halves. Finally, we have the transverse plane, which divides the body into upper and lower halves. Some other terms that we have are superior, which means of or pertaining to your head, upwards, also known as the cranial. So, for example, my head is superior to my feet. And then on the other hand, we have inferior, which means that it's away from the head. So my hips are inferior to my head. Then we have the medial, which is the inner body. It's towards the center of the body. So if I'm standing in the correct position, my digits would be medial to the trunk of my body. And likewise, we also have lateral, which means pointing away from the body, towards the outer body. So if I'm standing here in the same position, while my digits are medial to the trunk of my body, my thumb or my pollex is lateral to the trunk of my body. Finally, we have proximal and distal. This one confused me a little bit. However, after some studying, proximal is of or pertaining to the same body part. You would not say that your head is proximal to your hips because they're not connected at all. You would say something like your wrist is proximal to your elbow, or your elbow is proximal to your shoulder. It's within the same body part. Or if it's distal, it's further away from. So your lower body, where my knee is distal to my hip, or my foot is distal to my thigh. And of course, the front view of the body is called the anterior or ventral view, and the behind view is called the posterior or the dorsal view. Thanks for watching.